Hi, my name's Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. Today I'm going to be giving a couple products one more shot. So that includes the Maybelline Fit Me Liquid Foundation in 102 Fair Porcelain. If you saw I don't know when the video is going up, but if you saw my last video, you know that I didn't really like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this underneath of it. Why is this wet? Okay, well, this is what I want to use. Okay. So something happened to this on its way here, I guess. But this is the e.l.f. moisturizer SPF 50 thing. If you saw my haul, it was in my haul. Let me clean this up first. Okay, so it seems to be coming out the bottom. When I tried to like wipe it, the packaging came off. I don't know what's happening, but now I'm gonna have to be very careful. I'm still gonna try it out, but I'll have to contact e.l.f. about that. Let's see. I'm kind of afraid now. Okay, so there it is. You know, that universal tint that, you know, you definitely see is going to work on me, right? But that's okay because the light foundation is going to be going over it. So I think we'll be okay. It's about the same color, smell, maybe even feel as the primer, maybe a little less sticky. So I have tried the primer, but I've not tried the moisturizer, which is this. So now with my little Creme Shop sponge and the foundation, let's see how this goes today. I really don't like this method here, but I don't think I really have a choice. Let's see if it's any less dry and cakey with the moisturizer underneath. I still see that. I still feel like it's having trouble covering areas I want to cover. See? I mean, I know like that's kind of what concealer's for, but like foundation should be able to do some of that as well. Don't get me wrong though, I do at least appreciate that that there's actually a foundation this light. One of the reasons I don't use foundation is because I find that a lot of ones I try to buy, they do not, you know, match me and go this light. I know on the other end of the spectrum, people with a really deep skin tone have the same issue, so I feel that. Okay, so I feel like it definitely doesn't look as dry, at least right now. Let's see how we do down here. So I got a lot going on down here. I like how I've had clear skin basically all my life, and then I start a YouTube channel and weird things start happening. No, it just does not want to cover. Does anyone out there have luck with this foundation? I mean, I saw like reviews and stuff before I bought it. I know people were happier with the other one, the what's the dewy finish one? the other one. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so I put my Maybelline Fit Me powder on, and unless this foundation changes magically by the end of the day, no, I don't like it. So the hunt for a foundation when I need it continues. Also, just for the heck of it, I feel like my face itches a little, and I noticed that last night as well. I wonder if it's this. Yeah. I mean, granted, I know I've been trying like a few different things, but I don't know. I wonder if it's that. Alright, Icy Betch. You get one more chance to impress me. Ow, it bit me. It's mean. Alright, so I'm gonna go with this today. Well, kind of, because I'm gonna put it head to head with the Face Candy Atlantis Palette. And yeah, should I not tell you what eye is gonna be what? Should I do one of those deals? So I'm going to start with the matte white that both palettes have, just to set my eyeshadow primer. And I used the Milani one today because my Too Faced one has been acting weird. As I mentioned, I think it's just starting to separate and get old at this point. So we don't want that to affect what's going on here. That was my dollar store brush, by the way. Now I'm going to use my fluffy brush from Wish and use the matte light blue shade. Like a baby blue, powder blue, cornflower blue. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to go into the other palette, not telling you which one is which. You know what? I mean, both of them are light. I'm not gonna say anything else about them, because then you'll know which is which. But I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it. Yes. Just to try and pack both of them on a little bit more. So I want to see it more. You know what? They're not as exact as I thought. Because now I'm looking for colors that's in one of them and not in the other one. Alright, well, I'm gonna start with this one. What? Same brush. Now I gotta remember what side was what. This is this side. Let me see if I can duplicate that on the other side. Yeah, okay, just about. Both sides, though, I feel like I'm making a mess. And honestly, I don't think that has anything to do with the palettes. I think that's just me. Okay, I'm going to take my IBY crease brush and yeah, they're not as, I'm definitely running into, they're not as, really? Okay, they're not as exact matches as I thought they were going to be. I'm going to go into the other palette. I don't know how this is gonna work. We're gonna try though. So I'm going to start with one palette and start putting like a turquoise here. And then I'm going to put some green. And then I'm going to put some blue. And I'm going to attempt to do the same on the other side. Or at least make it similar. So I'm so focused on what I'm doing and not like cross-contaminating the palettes. I'm putting like a shimmery green in the middle. I'm putting like a turquoise blue in the inner corner. And then I'm putting a dark blue on the outer third. Okay, so I don't want to give anything away, but I'm definitely not symmetrical because the problem is that in one palette, the green is lighter than the turquoise, and in the other palette, the turquoise is lighter than the green. So, okay, so basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mimic what I did on the lid on the lower lash line. So that means taking the teal turquoise here on the inner third. And the teal turquoise on the inner third over here. The green in the middle. Oops, almost went on the wrong side. And the blue on the outer portion. Tell you one thing, both looks are very blue. In case, you know, you didn't know. And just for the heck of it, I will use the with my dollar store brush, I will use the Tarte highlight from the Icy Betch palette on both eyes. Okay, so before I put on eyeliner, mascara, etc., because I have to say, regardless of, you know, how the palette's performed, I just don't happen to like the look that I created today. So I'm actually going to put some eyeliner on to, like, make it look better. I know, I never use eyeliner, but we're going to use some today. So which one do you think is which? Okay, so this is Tarte here. And this is the Face Candy Atlantis. I think that, I mean, I'll have to see how, you know, the Tarte one wears by the end of the day. It's not as bad as I originally kind of reviewed it to be. The colors are actually, they're similar. They're not the same. You know, that doesn't bother me that they're like slightly off. I guess it just depends on what you're looking for, because I thought they had a lot more similarities, and they actually don't. I'll show you them again. So you be the judge is like what I'm trying to say. As for me, like I said, depends on how this wears today, but if it's about the same, then I really don't need the Tarte one. I'm happy with my Face Candy one. Although I have to say, for sure, this one like doesn't do much. Whereas the Face Candy one does. I think at one point you saw me like trying over here to like build and build and build the light blue, whereas this one I didn't have to build as much. So That was an obvious difference. So I have my Kiko Cosmetics Supercolor Eyeliner in 115. I don't know what that means. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not the best at winged liner. Far from it, but here we are. Alright, so I can't find my Avon Ultra Luxury Liner in whatever color, Midnight Blue. So I opened this up instead, and it took me forever to open up, so I might as well have kept looking for the other eyeliner. This is the Avon True Color Glimmersticks Diamonds Eyeliner in Twilight Sparkle. Isn't that a pony? Isn't that a My Little Pony? Ow. My wings don't match, but oh well. That did not really do anything. It does not want to stick on the waterline. It only wants to stick on my actual skin, whatever you want to call it. So, okay, fine, whatever. Alright, that took longer than it should have. You know, tried some new things, didn't go as planned, but like, does it ever go as planned? I don't know. Anyway, I hope you're having a good day. I'll see you next time. Bye!